Hi! In front of me is Nokia 220 4G, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once on this device. You need to begin by opening Menu and selecting Gallery app. Now click on this left button and click on Delete Items. Now click on the same one again and choose Select All. As you can see, all of my photos were successfully selected. If you wish to unselect some of them, just click on the chosen ones. Lastly, to delete the selected ones, click on this right button below bin icon and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!